Showcasing the Ford Mustang in a YouTube video requires capturing its essence through bold and dynamic visuals that highlight the car's design, engine, and heritage. The video would open with a high-resolution shot of the Mustang's emblem, focusing on the iconic galloping horse. Transition into a sweeping exterior view, where the camera gracefully circles around the car, emphasizing its sleek lines and aggressive stance. As the sunlight gleams off the metallic paint, viewers can instantly feel the Mustang's classic yet modern appeal. Next, dive into close-ups of the front grille, the sharp headlights, and the muscular hood. The video then shifts to the Mustang's interior, showcasing the luxurious leather seats, the advanced dashboard, and the ergonomic steering wheel. Each shot is crisp, capturing every detail with precision. The video must capture the heart-pumping sound of the Mustang's powerful engine. Transition to clips of the car in motion, roaring down an open road, emphasizing its speed and performance. Dynamic angles show the car from various perspectives, from ground-level shots of the wheels spinning to aerial views that capture its dominance on the road. Flash in some historical footage or vintage images of past Mustang models to celebrate its legacy as a classic American muscle car. Blend these with modern-day shots to contrast and showcase the evolution of the Mustang. The seamless combination of past and present underscores its timeless appeal. Caption key highlights with bold, stylish text. For example, overlay iconic design as the camera pans over the car's exterior and pure power during the engine revs. In the video, with a powerful shot of the Mustang driving off into the sunset, with the Ford logo and a tagline like "Unleash the Legend."